You'll be needing about 3 to 4 or at least 2.5 yards of fabric to do this. So fold the fabric in two and then fold over again as shown, like in a bias form. Make sure that the folded side is what you take over to the other side. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. The next thing to do now is to mark the desired length of the kaftan. So after marking the length, then you cut out the excess fabric at the side. Before you shape the neckline, you open up the kaftan and then you put a seam, because it's going to have a seam that will run just at the middle of the kaftan in front at the center fold. So I'd advise that you sew that up first before you shape the neckline. Okay, the next thing to do now is to shape the neckline. So I went in by 4 inches for the neck width, and then for the back neck depth I marked 1.5 to 6 inches down, and for the front neck depth I went down by 7 inches. Shape the lower part of just the front piece. We're almost done with this cowl kaftan, guys. The next thing to do now is to determine your arm opening. Just measure half of your arm circumference plus about 1 to 2 inches from the side of the garment. Okay, so and then when you're sewing it, you join the shoulder, making sure to stop right at the point where your arm opening starts. Okay, so tell me, is this not serving some rich auntie vibes?